Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a postcard belonging to the Bygone Era. It is a 20th century British India postcard. Postcards were introduced in India in July 1879, and the one which you see on your screen is one of the last postcards which was struck during British India era before India got independence in the year 1947. As you can see yourself, it is not a picture postcard, it is a simple one. Now coming to the elementary details of the postcard, this one is a reply pair, and the portrait which you see is of King George VI, the last ruler of the British India Empire, also known as British Raj. The denomination is half anna. Below the portrait, India postage is printed. Alongside postcard, the annexed card is intended for the answer, address only is printed. And the space for address and message is left. Now this one is a reply section. Postcard reply, address only is printed. And alongside the portrait is, and the space for address and message is provided. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.